2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, last time we're going to do it in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now just listen to the count. 3, 2, 3, 2, 5. 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 5. We've just done biomechanics. First step. This is that it's all real in your mind where you are. But it doesn't look real to the audience. To the audience, they're seeing all these poses, but inside you, you're in balance. Otherwise, you fall right over. First lesson in biomechanics, you're always in balance. You're always in a dynamic, kinesthetic pose. So let's try this one last time. 1, 5. 1, 3, 2, 4, 1. Right. It looks totally abstract and not neutral. But you've just done biomechanics. All of this stuff, your body is composing itself in the most dynamic way because you're balancing something heavy and dangerous. This is what biomechanics is. Let's go back now to the first exercise. It's called the dactyl. The dactyl, if you remember, is this. You get ready. So, and it's 1, 2, and you're there. So in the dactyl, it's a signaling device. It signals you internally, but also signals your partner. So your knees are bent, your palms are up, like you're going to dive. You move up, lift the palms. 1, 2, and the second clap is a hard clap, and now you're ready. So you're going to go into that boxing crouch. So you do the dactyl. And you jump up with the left, forward, and now you're in the boxer's crouch, and you're ready to move. Try it again. And here, you want to get the energy moving straight out. So you're going to grab someone's throat. There you go. All right. The first solo exercise that we did, I think I showed you, was picking up throwing the stone. So you go into the boxer's crouch, come up to neutral, thought. So you have your right hand under your chin. You see the stone. You pick it up. You're feeling it. It's the same as that pick. You pivot, slap the biceps, and then you'll wind up. And you're going to throw the heavy stone. You crouch. It hits the target, and you say in Russian, bullseye. Ha-pa-pa! Ha-pa-pa! And then final dactyl. Alright, so let's put this together. Start with the dactyl. Boxer's crouch. Neutral. Thought. See the rock. Bend down. Scoop it up. Pivot. Forward. Pivot back. Slap. Straight. Wind up. Okay, now at the wind up, afterwards you stop in the biomechanical pose, which is this. This means your body's in total balance. You aim, take a breath in, throw, crouch, slap, point, hop, 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 coming up, and then go to dactyl, where your leg your feet are parallel, and fold your arms. That's the first biomechanical exercise. We're going to do one more here. Let's try this again with the three of you and two of you facing each other and doing it towards each other. So let's try throwing this down. Ready?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I thought you were facing each other. Okay.
Good, yeah. Slap. Wind up. All right, I screwed up here with you. This is what I'm watching for. All right, so slap. The wind up is 1, 2.5, and then go back. All right, so let's take it from the slap and wind up. 1, 2.5. That's it. Back and throw and fall. Slap. Come up with the bullseye. Hop, hop, hop. Dactyl. Arms fold. And the other thing is, let's just make this complete. After the final dactyl, arms fold and turn out towards wherever the audience is. That's it. All right, let's start again. Up. Wow, that was great. So the only thing you need to add to it, and of course it's like any other exercise, you get better and better, is to put it in here to make it real. So you're really throwing, you're really seeing, and so forth. But the actual coordination is getting better and better. So that's great. Now we're going to do the first biomechanical a partner exercise. And this is stab with the dagger. What it's going to be, and this is very melodramatic and funny to watch. So start with the dactyl. There's two parts now. There's the passive and aggressive. You be the passive and you be the aggressive. So let's start with the aggressor. So it's dactyl, same thing. Boxer's crouch. Come up. And now you're going to unsheath the dagger. So you make this big movement. Here's the sheath of the dagger, and you're going to draw it out. That's it. Then you're going to take a step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to stab. So let's all do the aggressor, and then we'll reverse them. So start dactyl, crouch, neutral, unsheath the dagger, point, and leg goes up. Step 1, bend, very good. So if you feel like you're in a cartoon, you're doing it right. Okay. Now the unfortunate victim. Same thing, starts with the dactyl,